Atma Manthan. Atma Manthan is the journey of self. I, Dr. Rahul Mukesh Mehra, will help you in this journey of self and life. Principles of life is an integral part of Atma Manthan. Kindly introspect over each and every principle and repeat them slowly. The first principle of Atma Manthan is whatever you practice, you become perfect in it. Second principle, where your attention goes, result flows. Third principle, don't fuel your afflictions, enhance your strengths. Fourth principle is the law of karma. What you sow shall you reap. The fifth principle of Atma Manthan is always live in present. Sixth principle, practice unconditional love. The seventh principle of Atma Manthan is believe in complete equality, may it be caste, culture, gender, or religion. Eighth principle, learn to live with freedom and give freedom of survival to all beings, including humans, animals, and birds. Ninth principle of Atma Manthan is practice non-violence, may it be physical, mental, or emotional. 10th principle is accept more and expect less. 11th principle is be wise to enjoy richness in life. The 12th principle of Atma Manthan is learn to work gracefully. Every work is important. The 13th principle is be strong to practice truthfulness. The 14th principle is problem lies in seeing problem as a problem. 15th principle is to be focused. Always set your priorities. The 16th principle of Atma Manthan is self-evaluation is the key to self-improvement. 17th principle is learn to be better than yourself. 18th principle is never regret in your life. The 19th principle of Atma Manthan is life is a celebration. Rejoice. 20th principle, respect yourself, parents, Guru, and God. 21st principle is Don't accept what does not belongs to you. 22nd principle of Atma Manthan is always be full of gratitude. 23rd principle, realize God is one. 24th principle of Atma Manthan is be Swami, that is master of yourself. 25th principle, develop a neutral and an indifferent behavior, free from push and pull. 26th principle is never interfere in the laws of nature. 27th principle of Atma Manthan is develop a strong, addiction-free mind. 28th principle is practice forgiveness. 29th principle is always remember company conditions mind. The last and the 30th principle of Atma Manthan is live an egoless life.